this life, when they talk say your yam, when it dey white, use your hand cover am. No let people say the yam dey white. Now parable of the olden days, e get wetin still mean.
True dreams with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you just did get post for YouTube, or you did watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today we want to talk about two stories. We want to talk about Chacha Ike, how she breaks marriage rules. I want to talk about Regina Daniels and her billionaire husband Edwoko, how it has stopped Regina from social media. Right now, Regina YouTube channel, her husband don't tell her, say make he bring her down, because Regina just opened the YouTube channel of recent after her baby naming ceremony, and she opened the YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel they give her many views and many subscribers. But the husband can tell and say, no, Regina, the way this thing they go so, because every time you upload videos about the family, if they go swimming pool, anywhere that they upload the video, the husband can't look and, you know, say as a papa you when be say, they say what he elder sit down, they see small pikin go climb a rope tree, you know, they see him. Then he tell Regina, say, come, this family circle, when you can't open the name of the channel na family circle, this family circle, so when you open, it be like say no go work, you need to delete and come out, because it can't be like say as a politician, as a billionaire, you know, na Africa now, you can't feel say all the enemies full everywhere. Now through that YouTube channel, now they know their whereabouts, now they know how they live their life for inside house. So it may not be say the enemy go just come catch their life out like this. Now you say Regina delete the YouTube channel, and finally Regina delete the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel not the exist again. So if you go check YouTube page Regina Daniels, our family circle, you go see say not the exist again. Only some videos when be say she don't already upload for there, when some other people don't be say they put on for their channel, now you will see for there. So what do you think about that? So I think say what the man do is right, because through this thing, because anywhere they go, they show their house, they show how they live their life. From their social media, don't know how they live their life. If quarter every day the house, now there you see no, because by the time you want to they film somebody when it already the verses, you know, if you first smile on that person's face, the way the person go tell you, know say something, not the fish. So let me can tell and say me stop them, because they are not already the social media already doing this family thing. Can't see hard, it go just make people carry chairs, sit down, but they say we go know through their acting, through their face, they don't already know whether it is well or it is not well in that family. And not be every time something they sweet for us. It gets sometimes when they bitter, it gets sometimes when they sweet. You understand me now? The main reason we carry us come here today now about Chacha Ike. Chacha Ike says she don't tire for her marriage. You know, she break the rules of her marriage. She said she don't tire, but she not talk wetin really happen. But rumor don't they carry and they go say now so the man beat him, now so the man give the best friend belle. But we don't really know, because you know say when matter don't enter outside like this, now different story you can't hear until she open her mouth talk before we really know wetin happen. But she break the rules of marriage. I believe it join wetin happen to this her marriage. First of all, you know, my own way they different. When we say the way me take they explain my own things, that's why people go they talk say Lady T, you see they behave like ancient of days people. Wake up, we are in a civilized world. Go and do like this. Follow civilization. Follow. Yes, people are right to tell me to follow civilization, to follow this, follow that. We know we are in the 21st century, for crying out loud, Lady T. And so they tell me, Lady T, wake up. You were even there for Europe. Now you consider they behave like Mama Amadu went there for inside village. I know, now right. Now true to now they talk. But more we remember the things of the old times. The thing when you come out for the things of the olden days, now be shedding of blood and killing. That one, it don't cancel forever. But apart from that one, there are other things that we need to do. These things of ancient of days, one of the talk say we throw away, so they look na nyan. They wait for. They are still existing. You understand me? We don't need to throw away all these things, especially we Africa. Even Oyibo people, they still get their traditional things where they do. They get their traditional things where they forbid. If you go close to them, now you will know. For this country, when me even can't know yourself, I shocked a light. I say, so this kind of thing they happen. For Oyibo again, how much more Africa people when we say, now inside this thing we take. You understand? Why I say Chacha break the rules of marriage. She and her husband, they break the rules of marriage. Because in this life, we have physical and spiritual. The spiritual control physical. Now so it be. You know this life, when they talk say your yam, when it dey white, use your hand cover am. Don't let people say the yam dey white. Now parable of the olden days, you get what it still mean. You understand me? So Chacha now somebody will be say now humble person, now good person. If you look at her, you will know. You understand? This one not be even say she they pretend. The ones when they pretend, una still know them. Now humble somebody will be say she ready to do anything for her marriage. Because if you look Chacha husband too, not be say Chacha husband na still bad person like that. Now still good person. But what can they happen when we say this kind of thing they happen? Which kind of thing they can't do like that when they scatter their marriage like this? Make una remember, not be this year, now June or July this year now. Now be, if I'm not mistaken, now they do their 7th year anniversary. My people, most people they do things without say they don't know what they do. Anniversary not supposed to be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, 8, 9. No, it's not supposed to be so. Anniversary is supposed to be as from 10 years a decade. A decade now 10 years. So as from 10 years, then they're supposed to do anniversary. But they do their own 7. You don't know say that kind of thing say the nature the vessel for that kind of thing. I know say this thing where they talk, so they'll say, oh lady, this village rumor, it doesn't they talk again. But I'm saying the right thing. Anniversary not be so. So people don't do anniversary for 1 year, the marriage still day. But don't use yourself to compare other because grace are different. You don't know what that one grace stands for. You don't know protection where that one gets. So you yourself go say, okay, because this one do anniversary for 2 years, 3 years anniversary of marriage, which is not supposed to be so, then you will say you want to go to one. Chacha do anniversary for 7 years. Anniversary of marriage, you're not supposed to do one below 10 years. It's supposed to be above 10 years. 10 years, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You feel like they do and they go. You understand me? But you have to let that decade, that 10 years complete. Now, the law of nature be that. But many people not go believe. Now, there the problem for starts. Because if you do below that 10 years, the karma will come. Your good husband will turn to another thing. Your good wife will turn to another thing. Because you break the rules. Sometimes for this marriage matter, many people don't know say marriage it get many things when they follow marriage. Things they follow marriage. If you marry, blessing them when they follow and forces them when they follow. You need to follow the rules. That's why I say the physical rules, now the character, you feel not feel avoid all those things. Because you don't feel change person character. But the spiritual rules, like all this one, when they tell you so, say you go to do anniversary before 10 years, you can avoid it. You understand? So people, they want wait for church. Pastor, we never even marry, we never even put woman for house, but they wait there. You are breaking the rules. You want to do 10 years anniversary. Pastor, we never even clock 5 years anniversary. You want bless your 10 years anniversary. You are breaking the rules. All these things they cause problem for marriage. When we say your husband go change or your wife go change, all these are the forces when we say you they allow they enter spiritually into your marriage. Now they for break that rules. I know say many people will still come for me for this one anyway, but let me just drop it. I need to drop it. But in future, you people will remember, say, Lady T, it told this word. Go and mark it. That's why if you want to do traditional marriage, not be anybody for family will come say one can collect bride price. No. You get people when they collect bride price. You get people when they sit down. Person when supposed to sit down to say he want collect bride price for traditional way. they still get reason why they put. If not, therefore you say you be the family, go and collect bride price. The person when the family go they drag on, you go know what he do self. He gets some papa self. Don't be saying I born pikin. He not fit collect bride price. He need to call in your family when you go collect bride price. All these things now the things of wetin we need to know, wetin we need to dey do. So now DNA therefore cross the line. That's 7 years anniversary. Why una not patient? We una dey rush dey go. 7 years, you just get 3 years to go. You will wait, you complete 10 years before you do your anniversary. When she don dey talk about the makeup, then I know say something don dey go wrong. And before she even come out and talk about makeup, social media people don already see say problem don already dey that marriage. But she dey deny am, she dey hide am, she no wan make people know. She dey hide that they want force herself to see if the marriage go work. My dear, you no fit force yourself. You no fit pretend for your marriage. Once you see say the marriage, you don dey hook you for here, you take a break. So now go leave each other forever. You take a break, you separate for the meantime. See how you fit arrange things, how your husband will fit arrange things. Then if you people are meant to come back together, then you come back. But then you don't know your mistake, the other one don't know a mistake. Not be say the marriage is scatter, you still dey inside. You can't wait make the thing scatter finish before you can come out. You need to take a break, separate. No feel say maybe if you come out, one woman will go there or one man will go there. No, just patience and see where they leak, so you know how to fill her back. You understand? Not say because say Mercy Johnson put your husband picture and family picture that they may show you self when we say your home never even settle. You dey shop amala pepper soup for side house. You want to drag your husband come and when you no problem wanna get for side. Oh yeah, only repair your face well, rub pancake, do like this so that people no go no say we get problem. After na those do chakan put for Instagram finish, kiss put for Instagram finish. The next minute the quarrel don't continue again. Don't deceive yourself. Don't force yourself. Say because say this one do and put for social media and once it pretend make them don't say my marriage is sweet. No, don't pretend. When you dey shop the amala and pepper soup for inside your marriage, try to work hard on it than coming out to pretend on social media. It will not help you. One day breeze go blow, foul nyash go open. People when they put their marriage on social media, don't jealous them because you don't know what they are passing through inside house. Don't be jealous of them. I'm not jealous of anybody. If you like carry your husband put for head, put for social media, I don't feel jealous you. Because in the evening, now we'll know who be who for marriage. If they never reach, you don't feel knock chest say your marriage is sweet. The only people are they jealous for marriage now people when you don't hold for inside the marriage like the Olu Jacob. All those ones they don't date. Everybody they see they say this one not be pretending. Jacob and Joker Silva, they date. The Olu Jacob is almost 80 while Joker Silva is 70 something. You see them, they still there together. If you they jealous those kind of people, it's good. No be people when be say they all married for how many years, even 10 years, 20 years, not jealous them. Wait, make they hold. Because some people quick marry, so their marriage go just they count fast. Say 30 years of marriage, and maybe they are just 40 something. Maybe they marry at the age of 18. 30 years of marriage, they day 48 years. No jealous they yet because they are still very young. Forget the age. Wait until the man don't old, don't they carry up before you can know your marriage is successful. So don't jealous anybody on social media. Don't say because this one do this on social media, you won't go do it when you know what you they pass through for a side body. Don't do that. So I just pray for Chacha that God will restore her marriage back. But I will make another video again to tell you guys what it really happened. I see the dig, I never really just confirm. When you are married, wait. Just be patient and wait until you complete 10 years of marriage before you start to do anniversary. No rush, go do anniversary. Say because say that one do anniversary of 2 years, you want go do 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Let her complete 10 years. Very, very important. If not, something they follow on. Your good husband will turn to another thing. Your good wife will turn to another thing because of waiting if they follow on. So take it or leave it. I just want to drop this message here, but I never really do this video. I will come back and make another video about this Chacha Ike, but I just want to drop this point here now. That's why I'm doing this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comments down there. What do you think about this video? We are not just here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you are sharing our video, you are helping to change life. That's why we always pray for you that share our video, you that watch, you that support this channel in one way or the other, that Almighty God will send someone to support you in anything that you do in your life. If you call 1,000, we answer you. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will see you through.